We are at the crematorium here at the Whitefield, where 34-year-old web developer Atul Subhash died by suicide, and I'm joined here by his brother Vikas Kumar Modi, who has just finished his final rites. Sir, how did it all happen? Like since his marriage, he was being tortured with cases after case, and he that drove him to take this extreme step. Can you elaborate on that?
Basically, the thing that I heard and I know about that case when COVID was around there, and they got separated at that time. After that, it is charged lots of cases against him, and there must be cases of false cases, basically. Lots of sections are there which harassed my brother, and he lost his life right now. A lot of cases being put multiple of times that if the case is got rejected or quashed by the court, again after some time it is again put up by her family, uh, his wife and family. सो बेसिकली मुझे जो पता है वो ये पता है. इसके अलावा मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि वहाँ के जो जजेस हैं वो इतने करप्शन में डूबे हुए हैं. इवन वहाँ के जो पेशकार हैं वो पेशकार जो जज के पास बैठे रहते हैं वो भी बिना पैसे के काम नहीं करते. एंड ही एवरीथिंग मेंशन इन हिज वीडियो, और उसमें सारी चीज़ें बताएं कि कैसे उसने पैसे लेने हैं, पैसे मांगते हैं वो, और जो जज है वो वहाँ की कैसे पैसे मांगते हैं. तो एवरी वन इज़ देयर इन, वो करप्ट है मेरे कहने के अनुसार, और ही सुसाइड हिमसेल्फ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट करप्शन, एंड देयर इज़ नो जस्टिस विथ हिम. एंड इवन आफ्टर स्ट्रगलिंग सो मेनी ऑफ टाइम्स, दैट आपको पता है कि कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में कितने नंबर ऑफ लीव्स मिलते हैं. आप फ्रिक्वेंटली ट्रैवल करते हो, देयर इज़ विल बी अ हैम्पर ऑफ जॉब्स एंड समथिंग. सो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि और इसके लिए वो डिमांड करता था पेशकार से कि भाई चलो आप मुझे सैटरडे का टाइम दे दो और समथिंग लाइक दो. तो वो एक तो पैसे ज़्यादा करता था, ऊपर से हाथ जुड़वाता था कि भाई मैं नहीं हमारे पास तो बहुत शेड्यूल है, और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बेसिकली he fights the system, he fights about the law that is created by the government of India. There is no justice for the men, and most of the men, I don't know the exact numbers, but I know very much amount of people who is suffering from this type of cases, which is charged by his wife after marriage, demanding money. तो पहले ये कहा जाता था कि वो पैसे लड़के वाले लेते हैं, बट आज की डेट में ये एक हो गया है कि लड़की शादी करके आओ और उस पर डिवोर्स दो, और उसके बाद फिर सारी चीज़ों का बंटवारा करो. इवन यू नो some cricket persons also is suffering from these kind of cases.
Okay. Sir, your brother has done a 1.5 hour video before he took this extreme step, and a 23 page death note he wrote about. So how did you come to know about this, and like can you narrate, like where were you, when were you, had he in earlier to taking this extreme step tried to contact you or your family about this ordeal and things like that?
He never shared these kind of things to us. Otherwise, we will handle everything, even with the people around us. We can take help of him. How can we handle this kind of a situation? And I know I'm much capable of things that I can handle everything, which I have a contacts and like that. So, but he never shared that these kind of things happened, और ये सब चीज़ें उसके दिमाग में चल रही है और समथिंग. फिर वो इन सारी चीज़ों की समस्याओं में घिरा हुआ है. वो ही डोंट वांट टू सफ़र अस. बेसिकली पर्पस इज़ दैट कि मेरे बूढ़े माँ बाप जो हैं वो परेशान ना हो, मेरा भाई परेशान ना हो, और एवरीथिंग ही इज़ हैंडलिंग हिमसेल्फ. कभी अगर शेयर किया होता तो शायद मैं हेल्प कर लेता, बट उसके जो उसने जान ली है अपनी, मैं सिस्टम से सिर्फ और गवर्नमेंट से ये चाहता हूँ कि उसको जस्टिस मिले, सो दैट वी कैन सेव more persons more persons who is suffering from these kind of a cases. आपने ऐसा लॉ बना दिया है, आपने ऐसा सिस्टम बना दिया है जिसमें सिर्फ महिलाओं के ऊपर, महिलाओं के पास राइट्स, मेन के पास कोई राइट्स नहीं है कि अगर लड़कियां कुछ गलत करती हैं तो कहाँ जाए लोग, कुछ भी करने
What
के
are
लिए
what are the allegations basically? What can you list out the allegations that he has made over his family, like his wife, his mother-in-law, his brother-in-law, and uncle?
It is everything written in a suicide note, as well as he's mentioned all the things in his video. You can check that video. It is already in a social media platform. So basically, you can go out and yeah, and my cousin is there. He can briefly explain about the legal things about, and he can mention that what kind of a cases is there. So you can ask with him just.
Okay. So what is your name and how are you related with?
My name is Akash, and I'm his elder brother and very close to the family. You can call me family friend. And basically, during the court hearings, at the initial stages, before even filing of the cases, he got in contact with me at the time when they were about to separate. So we had tried to settle the disputes by making the family members sit together in one place at her matrimonial place. But that didn't work out, and she eventually decided to file cases. So when she filed those cases, she put.
I heard that there were around 7 cases, like the dowry harassment, domestic violence, and conjugal rights.
Right. There were around 10 cases in total. So including all the criminal cases, including and the allegations were like that she has put mental harassment cases against a brother who I think just met him for one day. 2 days I think after the marriage. 2 days. That's the most time he has spent with his wife. And mother-in-law, she just came when they were pregnant with the child. She stayed there but she also left soon because of the fights, I think, and because her father got expired or something.
Because my father is alone
Yes.
at the home.
So and there was some allegations about father also who also did not meet her much. That was around 4 days of meeting. But she implicated all the family members, putting false allegations without any proof. And she even got to that limit that her father died of natural heart attack. But she, with the help of authorities, she got an FIR registered for murder under section 302. While the husband, the person who has died, Atul, his brother, he was staying in Bangalore. They were staying together that time, 2019. He was not there when he died. He died of natural death. But she was successful in getting that section charged against him under section 302, and that was very surprising for us, because how can that be happen? How this machinery is working, that this person is getting harassed by these kind of allegations when at the face of it, prima facie, it is not making an offense because he is in Bangalore. The person who died is in there, and he died of natural death, heart attack. And how is this possible that these things are going on? Then after some point of time, he stopped discussing all these things because he took that thing that my family members are unnecessarily getting bothered. So he used to make sure that they are less involved in these, and he has taken all the responsibilities of every court date. But during this court cases, the machinery did not support him. He wanted to. He was sure that he will not get that she would not get much, because he was confident enough of his happenings during the marriage. But the circumstances were such that she used the machinery itself to harass him. And even she at certain situations in video, it was disclosed by him that he used to get mocked by the other persons, by the opposite parties in the court. And judge also used to be there, and every court staff used to laugh at him while he was alone there. Plus the other difficulty he was facing, that he was an employee in Bangalore, a private employee. They got multiple cases filed against him get the cases expedited. And when and it became such a situation where he had to go 5 to 6 times from Bangalore to Jaunpur, UP every month, which is very difficult for an employee. And plus, and on those hearings, nothing, and they used to make sure that they would take an adjournment so that he gets harassed.
Okay.
They would take.
Well, coming back to Vikas Kumar, like how is the present scenario? Like were the Bangalore police courteous enough to file a case, and what did they tell you when you approached with a complaint against the accused?
Basically, I just want to say that they have been cooperated to us, and when he broke that house, and after that he was there when I reached there, and everyone is supporting there. So I just want to thank them to cooperate us for their support. Even till night they are supporting to us for that complaint and all.
What are the sections registered against them? Like they would have told you about that.
I don't know right now. Basically, I just mentioned that thing. That's it. So I don't know right now.
What is your request to the department or the authority for that?
I just want to say that I want justice for him, and whatever the sections is there, he wants to put, he can put. And I just want to say that I want justice for my brother as well as brothers of the country who is facing these kind of problems.
So that was Atul Subhash's brother Vikas Kumar Modi and his family friend Akash talking about the ordeal that the victim had gone through. With camera person Venkatesh Perumal, this is Billy Thomas for NewsX, Bengaluru.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.